Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Danade for Money Biz. This video is going to be a live withdrawal. You see me withdrawing Airtime live on this platform. Literally, I created a video about this platform some moment ago. This is the video here. So if you have not watched the video, I'll advise you to just go to the description box below. Go to my channel. You see the video there. Click on it and watch it. So literally, I'm going to put the video below and you see it up there. Just click on it and watch it. I said the video title is Make Cash and Airtime Taking Survey Online. So literally, this is a Enlumi.io tutorial. I created a video about it, so I generally decided to wait a little bit and see if this is actually working. So since it's working presently now, I'm going to just do a live withdrawal. You see me withdrawing live on it. So ladies and gentlemen, let me just go back in.
Actually get rewarded.
Okay.
It's still shopping. Presently, shopping is not available.
So let me just
coming soon. So actually get.
So let me just go straight to back to the website here. So literally this is the website here. So far,
shopping.
I have
another way you can actually get more points and you can get more.
So far I have gotten 15.7k points and I've gotten 209.334. What I've been doing so far on this platform is that I have just been receiving survey. I just come to this platform, I take survey, they give me point, and the point is converted to money in form of money for me. So this video, I'm going to withdraw the money live. I've noticed that so many of you have actually registered. I saw the analytics register, but you have not verified your account. So literally, you have to verify your account so that this will give you more opportunity to have more survey. So for you to get survey, they will send survey to your they'll send notification to your email that you used to register so that you can actually take the survey. So the survey point varies accordingly. So literally you have to verify. So to get verified, you click on this view progress. So when you click on the view progress, you see that I myself am verified. So you'll say if you are verified, you see the right unverified. So you have to click on it and verify it. It's important. You can verify with any document that you see you are available. Just verify it. This will show that you are real, you are a real person, and this will give me more opportunity to more survey. Check gap. I've been verified, so I have more opportunity to more survey. So it's important you get yourself verified. So now let me do a live withdrawal. As I said earlier, I'm just going to come to reward up here. So if you are using phone, it's still the same thing. So if it's in phone, it will be like this. So for you to get verified, you click on view progress here and you click on you have to verify. You see unverified, click on it and get verified. So let me just go back here and click on them. So now I want to actually get myself rewarded. So I'm going to click on the reward down here if you are on mobile. So let me come back to laptop here, and the reward is up here. I'm going to click on the reward here and click on Airtime. So I want to withdraw in form of Airtime. So literally I have two. I can withdraw either Naira wallet or reward wallet. I'm going to click on reward wallet and come and choose the network. So my network is MTN. I click on MTN and I'll put my phone number, taking away the first zero. So you got. Then I'm going to put in the amount. So let me just withdraw 200 Naira since I have 209 Naira there. I'm going to click on proceed. So you have to confirm that everything is actually real. So you come here and you put the text, you confirm, and to do every other thing. So you're going to put in your Enlumi password to continue. So I'm just put in my own password there. So this is going to enable me to continue. Then I'm going to click on pay now. So this is going to load and it's going to be sent to me. So literally that's how it's going to work. So I just literally did a live withdrawal. So awesome, your transaction was successful. So literally I've withdrawn the money now. I'm going to receive it. I wish I could just show you my phone now. The thing has come to my phone now. The 200 has been sent directly to my phone. So ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to wait until when this thing stops working. You have to make use of it now. So I'll put the link below. Click on the link below, register, start taking survey, and start getting rewarded. So ladies and gentlemen, this video is short, so I want you to enjoy it. And of course, I've just seen me just withdrawing now. So this is real. I withdraw this to show that it is real. Click on the link below, register, verify your account so you get the opportunity to keep getting more survey and you are good to go. So I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much and I love you. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and give this video a thumb up. Thank you so much and I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.